Prachanda, Sushilda, Girja Babu in heaven wearing dhoti and crying for Madhesh. Madhesh important, dhoti and tharu, very important, very Nepali. Change in Samvidhan, come dhoti and tharu become happy. We work hard make country development, not like Netaj. Only eat money, sleep money, drink money, and everything money, money. Dhoti, tharu, want good Samvidhan, good country, happy country, a small country, big money. Jai Madhesh, Jai Nepal.